Meaning of erbium.
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 Erbium. Erbium is a chemical element with the symbol Ar and atomic number 68. It is a soft, silvery white metal that belongs to the lanthanide series of elements. Erbium is used as a dopant in fiber optic amplifiers and as a neutron absorber in nuclear industry. It has no known biological role but can cause some health risks if ingested or inhaled. Erbium has a relatively low toxicity, but prolonged exposure may still result in lung and liver damage. Despite its limited applications, erbium remains an important element in both scientific research and practical technology.